Hello and welcome to this checkmating 2 chess puzzle from 1878. Black just has the king, bishop and pawn left. White has the king, the queen, knight and a bishop. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving the queen to f7 won't get you a mate in 2. The king can move away, although you can check with the knight. The king can move away again, and if you try to check with the bishop, then black can block with the pawn. And after you take back, king is still moving away, and eventually you can just move in and checkmate in 5 with the queen. Moving the king to d2 won't get you a mate in 2 unless black moves their bishop, because then you can move in the queen to mate the king. Instead, black can just move their king away. Now when you move the queen in, the king has escape squares. Moving your queen to g7 won't get you a mate in 2. One of black's best moves is to move the bishop. Now if you check with the queen, the king can just move out of the way and there's no progression to the mate in 2 this way. Moving the queen to g1 won't get you a mate in 2. Black's best move is to actually move the bishop. Try to check with your bishop. Black's best move is to move the king to f4. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you want some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your knight to d1. If black advances their e-pawn, you can move the queen to f2 to checkmate in 2. If black decides to move their king to f4, you can move your queen to e3 to do the checkmate. In fact, it doesn't actually matter where the king goes, the queen will always be able to find a square to do the checkmate in 2. If black decides to move their bishop, you can move your queen to e3 to do the checkmate in 2. That's it for this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.